Professors, academics, researchers, they're like old wine. The longer they stay, the better they become. That is a cultural personality. अब bureaucrats क्या है? It's almost like medicine. Expiry date के बाद फेंको, counter productive होता है. Expiry date के बाद फेंक दो, भैया खाओगे तो दोगे तो बस you get into trouble. तो इसलिए I started working on a different sphere ताकि हमें ऐसा डेट पकड़ के ना फेंका जाए. So anyway, I had this pagalpan interest and in Sanskrit as such, in culture, museums, and it was God's great grace that I was made Culture Secretary of India. The real reason, of course, is no IAS officer wanted to take the post. सीधी बात मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आज मेला all these people will come and shout, डांस प्रोग्राम दो, ये करो, वो करो, बेकार है बिल्कुल. हम फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी बनेंगे, लोग सैल्यूट करेंगे. दूसरा दिन लोग पूछेंगे भी. सही बात तो ये है, लेकिन संस्कृत में लोग याद रखते हैं, कल्चर में लोग याद रखते हैं. अगर कुछ आप कर पाए तो और भी याद रखेंगे. I don't know what I have done, but let me start this. I am grateful to Allahabad Museum and to the Vyas Parivar and others for having invited me. I wanted to come for a long time. बहुत बार. I have been to Allahabad. In fact, now that I am retired, not fully retired, actually now I am 64, almost 64 and a half, so retired and tired. I can tell you that I had come here once, long ago, at the police. I had come here once as a request from Dr. Ramonath Lohiya, who's a man. Came to Allahabad University for politics, as a student. बंगाल से लोग कम आते थे सोशलिस्ट पार्टी में. खैर वो तो अभी भूल गए मैंने सब कुछ. चलिए, तो I had come to Allahabad many times. It's one of my most favorite cities, and I was planning to come for the last 7, 8, 9 years in both the post of Culture Secretary and CEO Prasar Bharati Akashvani and all that, but one time. So I forced myself, and Rajesh forced me. कि आप आ जाइए. So I'll start with just one question. Museums are there, collections are there. Do people come? Are people interested? Have we been able to make it inclusive? In other words, are we in a position to attract? That's my major question. वो बत्ती बंद की तो ऊपर वाले overhead. आपको दिखाई दे रहा? दिखता? हाँ, more or less. हाँ?
ये लाइट.
हाँ, चलिए छोड़िए. Don't worry about the CD where ये सब recording. कोई बात नहीं. Now the question is next. India has an exclusive enriched collection. Jagannathi, very rich collection. In fact, I have been to many parts of the world, and I have seen people spend thousands of millions of rupees, dollars, but they can't get a collection. You can't buy a collection. Sorry, you can buy one piece or two piece. मैं आपको example के हिसाब से बताऊँ. I had gone to Qatar Museum. अभी Abu Dhabi में they are opening another museum, which is the Louvre of Paris is opening up a branch in Abu Dhabi. Question is, the Qatar Museum, they have spent something close to 15,000 crores or something, obscene amounts of money. When I went around, मैंने पूछा कि आपका collection नहीं है जो? I asked the same thing कि आपका collection क्या है? So the reply was, gosh, I wish we had some collection. So the collection we have is of a civilization of continuous civilization of about 6,000 years. Tomorrow, of course, I go to Banaras in the university and challenge whether 6,000 years old. But aaj let us accept the accepted discourse that we have a continuity in our civilization for about 5,000 to 6,000 years. Definitely, there are traces. We are as old, 3,500 BC is the accepted date. 3,500 BC, we take that as the accepted date for Harappan culture, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. And now they start saying that the precursor to Harappan culture, the Rajasthan townships, the Rajasthan agglomerations had started coming from 8000 BC. So before it's accepted, I'll accept 3500, so which makes it 5,500 years. This gives us a rank among the oldest civilizations in the world. Egypt, Old Kingdom, Sumeria, Mesopotamia, China, and Greek before Greece. That means we are talking of the pre-Greek culture known as Mycenaean. That is that old. But gentlemen and ladies, if you have a look at these four names, you will see that Egypt has transformed itself into a new civilization, which is more Arab than Egyptian. Sumer, Mesopotamia has become Iraq, where there is a bombing every day. It's also an Arab civilization. China is continuing, but with a lot of variants, that dynasty. But China would be at least 1,500 years after us. I put the year 1500 BC, which means it is about 2,000 years after us. But actually not 2,000, if you go back to some of them, will come to 1700, 1800 years after us.
Continue.
Any problem?
सर बोलिए।
ना, मैं बोलूँ? नहीं ये।
सर सुनाई दे रहा
है? Audible? Okay. Now.
Within second.
It'll come back. Don't worry about figure.
It's coming back.
Huh?
It'll come back.
Okay. Now the questions I'm asking. The questions I'm asking are like this. Okay, we have the largest collection, we have the oldest civilization. कितने लोग इधर आते हैं? How many people are interested? How many people are interested in museums? आप एक गेट रखिए या 6 गेट रखिए, कितने लोग दौड़ भाग करके आते हैं? So that is the question we need to find out. Let us assume that the fault lies with me. I think that is the best way to start. If you start with that assumption, you can always say that poor people are not interested. आजकल तो लोग अनपढ़ होते हैं. People, they see TV, they see serials. They like to see women sleep in Banarasi saris. They get up in the morning with Kanjipuram saris. You can't say anything. They're illogical. अब टीवी से पहले भी पहले ज़माने में भी कितने लोग आया करते थे? That's another question I'm asking. So how many are they? Are these student visits or are these tourist time pass? I'm asking some hard questions. The reason is, are we taken as an old Bata shop that nobody enters anymore, or very few people enter, or are we anchored around? Are we next? Okay. Are we, as I said, tourist time pass? Is society proud of us? Do people say people say that it is like Prayag or Allahabad Fort or Chandrasekhar Azad? Is there a pride in it? So let us assume, if not, let us assume it is not. So why not? Let's start the question. Why is it not so, with so much pride and so much things kept here? Here I was just going past the Bharut collection. I'll tell you a story about the Bharut collection as we move along. But let me ask the question first. The answer partly lies in ourselves. I'll tell you what one of the major problems in India, having faced the museum scenario, our genetic makeup is against preservation. Our genetic makeup is against preservation. Because हम लोग क्या करते हैं? सड़ा, बासी, फेंको. Everything we think has a time and a life. After that life is over, इसको जला दो. इंसान, whether it be a dead body or with a dead animal, सबको जलाओ, नहीं तो immerse करो. ना? पानी में डालो. So this mentality that we have stopped us for the last 5,000 years from having any culture of preservation. So this is a unique situation that no country in the world has. I am saying with confidence that we don't have this adat or this habit or this pride in collecting. Collecting अब है कि when nowadays in the last 100 years mothers give their daughter sarees, grandmother sarees are still worn, but एक ज़माने में थे जला देते, गरीबों को दे देते. So the question of preserving our antiquity, preserving our heritage is negative across India. In the last 100 years or 150 years, we have started having a positive attitude. I am an avid collector of old objects. Every time I enter my house, my wife, who's from a very top English medium, she said, "कहाँ से कचड़े लाए हो भाई? किसके पता नहीं? किसे मरे हुए आदमी की चीज लाए हो भाई? क्या कर रहे हो तुम? पहले पानी में डालो, गंगा पानी में." So that attitude in a missionary school girl, college girl is also like that. So आप सोचिए देहात वाले अपने दादस के क्या हाल है? किसके कचड़े लाए हो? पता नहीं कौन से मरे हुए आदमी इसको he has dealt with it. That is one of the things we have to deal with. So we have a high level task. In no other country, whether Arab or Christian or any other country, do we have such tradition. So what happened? Burn karo, immerse karo. Islamic rule was here for about 600 years. Okay? More or less. Actually, I am a little scared in speaking in front of the Vice Chancellor because he is a historian, I am a pretender. So, Islamic rule, the entire period I have studied, they also did not have a continuity of preservation. इनके पास जो थे महाफिज खाना, that is record book, तोशा खाना, यहाँ valuables रखते थे. They were palace collections, little bits of palace collections. They were also not fond of museums, जिसको हम कहते हैं, संग्रहालय, कोई एक भी नहीं. तो we have passed so many thousands of years without having a single genetic impulse to collect. The British imported the idea of museums. Now, my question is, the British also imported shirt and trousers. Almost all of us are wearing it. If you could adapt to it, if you could all adapt to certain conveniences, so why not adapt to this convenience? We have to work towards it. Now, it is not a very old thing. The first collections actually begin in 1784 with the Asiatic Society. And Asiatic Society's collection became so large that behind the Asiatic Society there was a park. वो park में जैसा आपकी ड्राइववे में है, बाएं तरफ चंडेला, दाएं तरफ मध्य प्रदेश collections, they were all dumped there. And over them this collection came up known as the Indian Museum. The Indian Museum is either the third or the fourth or the fifth oldest museum in the world. So we were fortunate enough to have a museum culture of having a public museum among the oldest in the world. In the 19th century, we had 3 more museums coming up. By the 20th century, we had 13 museums come up. But 3 or 13 doesn't make much of a difference. Does it become inclusive? Does it have a connectivity with Samaj, with people? That's the main problem. Next. One of the reasons is, even if Purohit wants to do something, can he do it? Sorry, Dr. Purohit. Can he do it? Most large museums are either central or state. They are terribly bound by rules and fear of CBI, CAG and CBC. ये 3 C. बाप रे बाप, इतने परेशानी सर, all initiative is brought under control. भाई साहब, I have also gone through it. पता नहीं कितने शिकायत किए होंगे. My problem is, if you are clear in what you are doing, do it and what will happen. अगर it is fated that you will be hung like आम पेड़ से आपको hang किया जाए, वो तरफ हो जाए. So part of it is this, and part of it is to take the team along. In every team, in every museum, there will be dissenters. There will be anti-elements. Because there are anti-elements, I will not do. I don't think that's the right attitude. Anti क्यों होते? अरे भाई, Duryodhan's sons are also there, the grandsons. तो उनका क्या करें? उनका genetic impulse है, complain करो, शिकायत करो, ये करो. तो है ना, let us play the game of Mahabharata every day. Let us play it every day. So anyway, my point is procedures and precedents matter most. Performance provokes jealousy. hey, देखो, इसको अमेरिका भेजा गया, हाँ, इनको यहाँ भेजा गया. So these sort of petty jealousies were there in our gaon, will remain all along, but these should not deter. Expansion projects take up to 20 years. क्या करूँ अब? When I wrote it, it was 20 years. Now each expansion projects take 30 years. Even bulbs and galleries, I have seen, take 5 years to change. Now you can say bulb and gallery में क्या? जो painting होते हैं in the manuscript and painting positions, the PWD or the CPWD can put in ये hot lamps रोशनी के लिए, and you will find that what happens is those light act photochromatically on the painting's chemicals or the natural chemicals, and they destroy it. So if you are conscious that the painting is getting destroyed and you want to change it to something like LED, जब तक CPWD has not been educated itself and they have not found a good contractor for it, you will not be able to change it. The best is to help with CPWD. मैं खुद change करूँगा, जो मर्जी करो जा. These are, I mean, part of it, what I am telling you is dissension, but this is the only way to get forward. आगे बढ़िए. Next, what do our museums exhibit? Now, though people think that the museum exhibits everything, let me give you some figures. The Indian Museum has one of the largest collections in the world in terms of antiquity. So it is more than 1 lakh, 1,08,000. It displays only 6%. Only 6% will be seen by the public. Out of 6%, 5.5% never moves. So my grandfather saw the same statue, my father saw the same statue, I will see the same statue, my son will also see. That is the whole problem. One of the problems. National Museum has a larger collection than Indian Museum, but where ancient collections are concerned, nothing to beat Indian Museum. And Indian Museum. They have 2 lakhs, but 21% is shown. Salar Jung, 46,000, 30% is shown. Victoria Memorial Hall, 28,000, 10% is shown. इलाहाबाद है 72,000. अब क्या बड़े हैं? 72. देखो मेरे साथ. So 72,000, about 25% is shown. And Chhatrapati Shivaji, Mumbai, has 60,000, 15% is shown. Now I am giving you these figures to set your mind thinking. Is it the same exhibit that we'll see for 4 generations? There's a problem. But there will always be some exhibits which must be common. I'll give an example. The Bharhut collection is one of the oldest collections in the world and our link with continuity. I went around the Bharhut collection here. What does Bharhut mean? It's a Buddhist establishment in Chhattisgarh?
मध्य प्रदेश.
तो गड़बड़ हो जाता है कौन से, which is in Madhya Pradesh and between. So Madhya Pradesh, and it represents one of the finest form of Shunga art, that period. Now why is Shunga period so important? अब सोचिए. अब just remember the Shunga period of the 1st century before Christ, about 100-150 years before Christ, is important to us because that is the first time we are getting figures in India. Do you know that we don't have figures and images in India? Figures, images, idols of worship, right from Mohenjo-daro down to Jesus Christ. Mohenjo-daro 3,500 up to Jesus Christ 3,500 साल में we don't have much images. ये हम मूर्ति पूजा लोग करते ना. How old is it? It's just about 100-150 years before Christ. Just 100-150 years. This is the Buddhist school. So you have the Buddhist images. In the Shunga period, the Kushan Shunga period, we'll have also images of other Hindu deities. Not too many. मैं आपको भूमि में करके बताऊं. We have one of Sankarsana Balaram, which is now in Lucknow. Sankarsana. We have one in Andhra of Shivlinga and Shiv emerging from Linga. Kull mila ke maybe 3 or 4. That's all. So up to the Christian era, gentlemen and ladies, so Chiki, we don't have any imagery. We don't have, excepting what would be called during this period. Now, while the Shungas were from Bihar, let's assume, the Kushans were from Central Asia. Shakas and Kushans were from Central Asia. So it's a combination of people who came in and came out, and the influence of bringing images into India is from Greek. The IPR is Greek. जिसको कहते हैं royalty and intellectual property rights is Greek. So, you know, you have to give a story in that manner. If you keep Shunga here, but साथ-साथ जो कहानी कहना है कि this, as you are going past the oldest evidence of Indian art, Indian Buddhist art, but you are going to the oldest. It is these ones. I was noticing some yaksh here. Yaksha जिसको कहते हैं हम लोग. Yaksh. It is from the yaksh that our gods would start appearing. And yaksh and gana, as you know, are representing the common man. So we completely break the ideas we have in our mind of a Brahmanical pyramid. अब सोचिए जो मैं कह रहा हूँ. We often think that this came first, the upper civilization came first and Baki followed later. Let me give you just a counter history. The first major empire in India was set up by Mauryas. Okay? आजकल के ज़माने में अगर कहें तो मौर्य is OBC. हाँ, आपने राजपूत बना गया, छोड़ो, but my words, ठीक है. So the first rule, the first gods would emerge from the people, from the common people. So the first gods are actually godlike creatures, are the tree spirits, yaksh. And the first among the major gods we would get from the yaksh, from the Gand. Tell me two gods who became cabinet ministers in our pantheon. Gana, Isha and Kubera. Because one of their ways of representing the common man's god or yaksha was he had to have a belly, pot belly, tond. वो हमारे famous Indian tond है ना? So that was there in all of them. Now, gentlemen and ladies, I want you to look at also the narrative that is not being seen in this narrative. आँख आपके हैं, विचार आपके हैं, exhibits हमारे. Do you have any yakshi here?
Yes.
Huh? Many yakshis. The yakshis are all more attractive than the yakshas. Yakshis are many more times attractive. भाई एक तो मियाँ है, एक बीवी है. I can't understand. आपको जो सोचना आप सोचिए. Vidarganj Yakshi, as Manu said 200 years later, भैया सर्वनाश हो गए. ये तो सब mixed caste निकला है. I am putting it in the social framework. This is the factory, this is the area where India was being produced. Up to the Yamuna, the Kathit Arya Jati, जिसको कहते हैं हम, if at all there was one, they were exclusive. Inclusivism starts in India after you cross Nizamuddin Bridge, after you cross the Yamuna. Real India begins after the Yamuna. So it is in this Kshetra, Ganga Yamuna area, that the real India emerges. And the real India emerges through statues, through idols, through sculpture that is produced in this region and in Madhya Pradesh and adjoining regions. The real India comes up here. And here you have the earliest proof of real India. इसको दोबारा देखिए, उस आँख से देखिए, उस नजरिए से देखिए. To make it sound like that, we must have people who explain it this way. मेरा कहना है कि you must have people. It doesn't matter what percentage. ये percentage के बारे में I'll tell you one thing more. This percentage actually doesn't mean much, because many of the collections in the percentage or many of the percentage in the collection are actually stamps and coins. उसी में 1 लाख निकलता. So it doesn't really matter. Manuscripts. तो manuscript आप देखेंगे लोग सो जाएंगे. ये manuscript में क्या देखेंगे? You have to have the manuscript within a story. What does this manuscript mean? आगे बढ़ो.
Doctor, can we have like we want to see
क्या करो?
सरकार सबको बोलते हुए.
वो काले हैं, ठीक है. अच्छा आगे कोई बात नहीं. वो आप
One light will make. One light will.
ओके. नहीं वो बंद करो यार.
इधर वाला.
नहीं ये वाला. ये तो बाप रे बाप.
ये नहीं ये
तो लाख पावर है.
बस
पीछे से देखता है. नहीं डन।
Thank you.
ये तो गंज पर फोकस करें। अच्छा चलिए, ओके, नाउ आर स्पेस कंस्ट्रेंट्स ट्रू? सो म्यूजियम क्यूरेटर्स विल से, डायरेक्टर्स विल से हमारे पास स्पेस नहीं है। दिस इज पार्टली ट्रू and partly not true. It's a question of how you arrange what you arrange. Extend heritage building. So हमारी building, all buildings are heritage. I am putting that story of extend heritage building sacrilegious. ये जरा calligraphy code है. This is my story with the Indian Museum, the oldest museum. The Indian Museum has a huge courtyard, Angan. Huge courtyard. And in that courtyard, we tried to build a fiberglass mansard. If you have ever been to the best museums in the world, British Museum, you will find 3 buildings connected by a fiberglass dome. If you go to Louvre, you will see a fiberglass dome. If you go to Berlin German Museum, you will see a fiberglass dome. क्या होता है? Fiberglass dome connects the areas, and you can have an air-conditioned walkthrough, and you can exhibit many more things. And आजकल का जो fiberglass, उसमें you can have a cantilever system whereby when the weather is good, it can open up. You don't need air conditioning. When the weather is bad, rainy season, उसको खींच लीजिए. I almost lost my job. See, heritage building तुम tamper कर रहे हो? So that is another problem. And that was not from the bureaucracy. Bureaucracy को दबा रखा. Secretary हूँ, but ठीक है. That also they were grumbling, but it went on from the press and other pundits of Calcutta. मुश्किल क्या है? कल्चर सेक्रेटरी से ज्यादा कल्चर सबको जानते हैं. That's a problem. कि मैंने कहा तक बता. So the idea was to save the Indian Museum and give it a completely new lease of life. VMH, Victoria Memorial NXC, we tried for 3 years, 4 years. That went for a 6 over the boundary. अरे Victoria Memorial कैसे है? इसके इतने सुंदर है. भैया वो दिखने, I mean you won't see it. It will be almost underground. We need facilities. So we also have this problem of trying to convince the larger constituency कि ये जरूरत है. I think 10 years later they'll do it, but you need to keep battering that these are the options. National Museum's third phase, the delay is now 27 years. Extension of the National Museum, because National Museum has so much collection. So all I'm trying to say is that even if you want to change the exhibits, even if you want to change the exhibit, there are problems. Indian Museum's renovation took 6 years, new renovation. So these are some of the problems to becoming more and more attractive and inclusive. But now let us try to get to the inclusive museum experience. This is the model. Now these are read by pundits like the visuologist here. You have to have a look at the client. Client is you and me. Okay? You have to have a technology linking the client and the design consultant. Here this is the technical part, but it's very easy to understand. The design consultant must leave room for trial and error, because you cannot do it in a fixed method. I'll tell you what our problems is. The major problem is that we have a museum and we have exhibits put into the museum. That means the building is fixed and objects are put in. In world-class museums, the object is taken and the building made over it. Am I clear? If you have the Bharut sculptures or the Sanchi sculptures and all that, you have that as a center, and then imagine how it looks to go around. Parikrama, how it looks from different angles. Now that will take India, but India will do it because India is doing everything. Only my period was parashani. It will happen, but that is the way to do it. Then legislation and policy. Now until you legislate, even morality does not work in India. जब तक आप लोकपाल बिल लाए, danda, that's the only thing they understand. That is one of our problems. But where are the conservators and heritage authorities? I'll come to that story. He was mentioning, Mr. Purohit and others were mentioning, we don't have conservators. तो क्या किया जाए? कलकत्ता चलो, वहाँ मूर्ति बनाते ना, कोमटली, वहीं जाके बना देंगे. ऐसा नहीं. Whatever you have to retrain them. So this program that some of the people here have undergone is a program where you excite the existing manpower, send them out. The opposition to it was ये लोग तो बाहर जाते हैं, फिर दोबारा क्यों भेजोगे? I said भाई बाहर जब जाते they go for a specific purpose, exhibition, and they come back. I had to write on the file there is a Hindustani genius. आप जानते क्या genius? हाँ, वो तो बिलायती है. अब घर आ गए, रोटी दो गर्मा गर्म. वो जो देखा that was for बिलायती. अब घर आ गए ना, गर्मा गर्म रोटी तो that is junked from my mind. दोनों को integrate करना. I am not saying they are the best. I am saying they are at least doing better than us. Every person is going there. So to integrate the experience, we had a program called Sandwich Program. We train them in India, send them overseas, bring them back to India in their museums, and the trainers also come to see whether they have learned anything. Huh? So that is the way. Now I think, Rajesh, we have about 130-40 people.
Yeah, if you are trained.
Trained?
Yes, after the British Museum program.
Pura, when some Milaka, Chicago, because so we have 140 to 50 young men and women who have been trained, who know कि हमारी कमी कहाँ है, what is to be done. आप जब वापस आते ना, बूढ़े लोग कहते हैं, हाँ दूंगा, क्या खाया, बस थिंग, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. I mean, best is to look at the watch and let him retire. Let him retire. क्योंकि हमारा आना है ना. So the young lot that has been trained are usually in the 40s and some are in the 50s. 30s, 40s, 50s, and the boys in 30s. There was another objection to this training, saying that why you should send only from सरकारी museums. I said, क्यों? तो हमारे हैं. I said, बाकी क्या हमारे दुश्मन हैं? You send it from the private museum because ultimately a conservative will circulate within India. वो आज छत्रपति में है, कल वहाँ रहेंगे. So you know, if you bring in a pool of talent, then it will remain. The problem is to see where are we missing? What is better? What is better? I remember the story of Peter the Great coming out and being trained. Peter the Great was in Russia and he came to France and he saw people having clean beards, clean shaven. A Russian beard रखते यहाँ. His next program was Hayam program, Kaichi. सब Russian को पकड़ के दाढ़ी काट दिया. So it's a question of just trying to imbibe something. I am not saying दाढ़ी रखने से that's bad and if you keep a. It's a question of trying to do something. सबको पकड़ के बस कैंची से काट दिया. और फिर कहा कि साल में एक बार तो नहा यार. So these bodily hygiene and others came in. Next is the conservation authorities, then the acquiring resources. In this point, I don't think we need this thing. Ours is sharing of resources. Each museum has so much that we can share and allocate the resources. Actually, an intra-museum loan is always possible. I can bring a very good exhibit. We can get Durga images from 10 different museums and have it here. समझेंगे? Because to you, Durga is Dashabhuja, Mahishasura-mardini, Singhavani. है ना? हाँ? Actually, Durga emerges from 4 traditions. एक थे Singhavani, the lady who rides a tiger. That is where found in Iran, found in Central Asia. Okay. Then you have a tradition of a Devi who kills the Mahisha, which is found in Mathura. उसमें ना महिष असुर बना ना कोई सिंह है. ठीक है? So there is a tradition of a Devi who kills the Mahisha. There is also a tradition of that is the Chaturabhuja. Bhagwans had to have 2 hands extra. Double काम करने हैं ना. So you have to have 2 hands extra. You have to understand it in metaphorical basis. So and then you also have a tradition of Mahish से असुर निकला. So Mahishasur, Mahishamardini is one thing, Mahishasura-mardini is another thing. And चारों combine करके Dashabhuja, Ashtabhuja, Mahishasura-mardini, Singhavahini, Mahishasura-mardini. That is the final combination. So I can get you this, but somebody has to understand the story. Otherwise, what is the excitement? And when you touch it, you say कि देखो, this is 3rd century. You know तो कितने साल? 1700-1800 साल पहले हमारे कारीगर ये बनाए थे. हमारे हिंदुस्तानी पूजा करते हैं. That feeling, my wife took me by force to अमरनाथ. पूजा कम करता हूँ, पढ़ाई करता. तो अमरनाथ में when I went and I stood near the शिवलिंग, वहां तक तो खींच के ले गए. बाप रे बाप, मैंने कहा कि इतना पाप तुम्हें, इतने पाप तो किया ही नहीं मैंने, क्यों परेशान किया. तो ले गए. तो फिर ठीक है, जाके पूजा करे गए. She went there and said, देखो 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 देखो, ये शिवलिंग दिखाई. ऐसे रहा गणेश, ऐसे मुझे तो कुछ दिखता नहीं भाई. तो बर्फ में गणेश सरस्वती तुमको सब दिखाए. So then she stood, but for stopping a joke, when I stood at that spot, and for 1 minute I became devoted to God, or maybe half a minute or 1 minute. I remember that on this spot where I am standing, for thousands of years, millions of people have trekked to this spot, and I am standing on the spot. वहाँ लाखों तक पहुँचे. There must be some Shakti. That is the way you look at it. So you have to give that feeling कि देखो ये जो मूर्ति है, अच्छा तो 1700 साल क्या है? What is 1700 years? You have to have, of course this is my unorthodox way of putting it, 1700 साल पहले in Europe they were wearing skins. समझ गए? Fur skins. कोई फैशन कुछ नहीं. तो साल में 2 साल में एक बार नहाते थे. तो that was their सभ्यता, this is our सभ्यता. That is how you put it. कि you should not feel bad or they go down it. Some civilizations go forward. The question is how to tell the story. At the curatorial authorities, this is what matters. Lighting ठीक है, antiquarian ठीक है, historian ठीक है, stylistically ठीक है. Who curates? Who gives you? Curating means who gives you the dream? Who gives you the idea? Ideation. इस पर खास कुछ नहीं है. Just think of an idea, pursue it, अपने आप आ जाएगा. अपने आप. If you think from tomorrow, मैं शिवलिंग पर काम करूँगा. तो मैंने एक मुखी शिव देखा, शिवलिंग. And then you start. बाहर देखो ना, वहाँ रखा है ना मोटिव. उसमें एक शिवलिंग है. सिर्फ शिवलिंग पर काम करूँगा. Within this museum, you will find 20-30 shivling specimens, and if you date it and you write the story, how the shivling would emerge here. Because we have parallel traditions. We have an aniconic tradition जहाँ हम मूर्ति पूजा नहीं करते, हम पत्थर पूजा, हम लिंग पूजा करते हैं, हम क्या नाम वो शास्त्रम शिला पूजा करते हैं. We have that tradition and we also have a मूर्ति tradition. हाँ, हमें मूर्तिवादी मत कहा. We are not 100% मूर्तिवादी. तो ये दोनों ट्रेडिशन बराबर पास रखे. You can tell a story. This is the story of India. How many people knew that we didn't have any murti before the 2nd century, 1st century BC? Very few people knew. And in 3,500 years, we don't have murti. I'm saying once again, 3,500 years कुछ नहीं. मथुरा, गंधारा, कुषाण शुंगा, that's all. Date करो. Date it. I'm telling you. You have to look at it from the point of an outsider. मैंने इतना कम पढ़ाई किया ना, so I can see these patterns, how they emerge. ये लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ते, तो वह कभी छुट्टी लिया करो and then study it and then the stories will emerge. So creating a museum experience is a collective thing. Next, problems of museum. Skilled staff is low. है तो बहुत staff, माली है, cleaner है, ये है, वो है. Skilled staff is low. कोशिश करो ना. Within the non-skilled staff, you will find people who will do it for you. When I go to Calcutta, even now, the fellow who receives me is known as protocol officer. He is actually a clerk. कोई काम नहीं करते थे. He never did any work. वो सीट में बैठाने बड़ा मुश्किल है. तो उसको हमने प्रोटोकॉल में लगा दिया 10 साल पहले. वो अभी तक प्रोटोकॉल ऑफिसर. उसका एक ही ये खूबी है, जो वीआईपी आते हैं उसको बगल में खड़े होकर फोटो लेते. क्या जाए सब बढ़िया. सो दिस प्रोटोकॉल ऑफिसर इसको रात को 2 बजे कहिए कि बढ़ जाए, चले जाओ, सॉरी, खोपड़ी में कुछ है नहीं, दम है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मैन हु विल डू इट फॉर यू. Then complaints, allegation, risk, I have already said in the past. Then re-display exhibition, that is very troublesome. I know it is very troublesome, but you have to do some here. Internal practices, they are hardly known. So when there is a question, do you have an education officer here?
Yes, I am.
हाँ बस तो एजुकेशन ऑफिसर मस्ट बी इन अ पोजीशन टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस. He should not take a criticism and say आप इसको क्यों नहीं हटाते. तो you have a ready answer, you don't need to answer, but you must be in a position to explain. हमारा problem क्या है? Being in सरकार, I am no more there, but I was there. Think that we are God's chosen children. कोई काउंटर में पहुंच गया बताइए क्या चाहिए बोल जाइए. So this attitude is what puts on people. So there must be one smiling face. जो हंसते ना पियोन उसको सिलेक्ट कीजिए. बोलो भाई तुम हंसते रहते हो क्यों? बोलो क्या करो रो तो लेट हिम बी द इंटरफेस और उसको लगाइए काम में. वो देखेंगे सब विजिट के साथ दौड़ भाग करें. लाइक गाइड्स ही विल टेल यू अ लॉट ऑफ लाइन्स. गाइड्स इज लाइक लेकिन आपको मतलब ये एक्सपीरियंस जमाते ना गाइड. So something like that is also required. I am coming to these stories. Joint exercise with foreign. This is desired. Without experience abroad, लोग कुप मंडू हो जाते हैं. So when you see that they come up and put up their exhibits in 10 minutes, they have prefabricated things, then you would say that भाई मुझे तो ये चाहिए. Guest curators, try getting them, though they are viewed suspiciously. ऐसा कीजिए गेस्ट क्यूरेटर लाए ना तो उसको स्टोन स्कल्पचर दीजिए. कि गार्ड आपको कहेंगे कि सर आप लाए हैं लेकिन वो शायद जेब में कुछ ले जाएंगे तो बोले स्टोन तो ले लीजिए. तो give guest curators. What I'm saying is put guest curators so that they can give you ideas. When you stay in the same place वो बड़ा सेटल हो जाते ना. Reforms take time to fructify. Some of the reforms I asked director कि मुझे बताओ what images to have. Reminded me that I had started a project, Jatan, na? Jatan. So, I had forgotten. 8 साल में लोग, like last 5 years, ये दूरदर्शन आकाशवाणी माने चक्के पीस के I can't remember anything. सब संस्कृति बोले. तो today he reminded me. I said चलो. So it takes time, 5 years, 6 years. मैंने देखा नहीं. When I left in 2012, it was not there. Now he is saying it is there.
And the rotation of objects.
Rotation of objects, ये है. चलो आगे बढ़ो. Sensitization and training requirements. This I have already explained in very short. Forget this bottoms up, tops up. अब जब विलेज जाओगे ना ऐसा मॉडल दिखाओ लोग चमक जाएंगे. But right now what I am trying to tell you is you have to motivate. Motive, there is nothing like that. Directorial, tutorial, these are all taken from foreign material. I am just showing you to show that I can also talk academic if I want to. If I want to. Next. Focus on visitors' experience. Okay. Now what I am saying, need for a participative approach. Participative approach can be done with education officer by someone when they ask people कि आप देखने के चाहते बताइए. आप आए तो क्या करूँ पापा ने भेज दिया. मामा ने कहा कि जाओ म्यूजियम में. तो ठीक है आप पहुंच गए ना. क्या चाहिए आइसक्रीम. हाँ बड़ा आइसक्रीम. So let's see if you can have an ice cream stand. Just fast focus on what he wants or what she wants. Use technology and audiovisual. Technology and audiovisual कुछ नहीं है. हमारे दूरदर्शन वाले आपके लिए 10 बनाते हैं. I mean there is nothing in technology and audiovisual. It is only gimmick. Same thing को थोड़ा मसाला करा दें. Ways to create universal intellectual access. You see, our problem is whenever you say universal, हम सोचते कि रैंप लगाओ, physically handicapped को हम लेंगे. जरूर physically handicapped को लेना चाहिए, physically challenged को लेना चाहिए. But main block is with intellectual access. Are you intellectually accepting what I am saying? Now, वहाँ आप विकलांग हैं. Physical is not the issue. Okay? Participative events are a must. You must have one event every 15 days, 1 month. Without that event, you won't get people. आज आप लोग आए ना, तो उसमें कुछ तो सीख लिया. हमारे दूरदर्शन वाले ने जबरदस्ती आया. मैंने कहा कि भाई तुम्हारे इसे नहीं लिखूंगा, फिक्र मत करो, बताओ. But they have come, they will learn something. Celebrate audio guide. You have audio guides? Very good. Audio guides कितने पैसे में देते हैं?
ऑडियो गाइड सर हम लोग का नहीं है. हम लोग का कियोस्क में ऑडियो रखा है.
अच्छा तो ऑडियो गाइड देखो. Audio guide means something like this. You carry a earphone or a phone. So when you are going near an object, number रहते हैं. Some object में नहीं, 20 object. 20 object when you go past, they will tell you the whole story. अच्छी हिंदी वॉइस लाइए, अमिताभ बच्चन को लाइए, यही सड़क है, बरबरिया मैं बात करूँगा. So you will give it in good voice. समझ गए ना कि इस जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसके सामने आप खड़े हैं, व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस? टेक स्टूडेंट गाइड्स। वीसी साहब है, वहां जाइए डिपार्टमेंट में, कहिए स्टूडेंट को कि टाइम पास करने के लिए इधर आ जाओ, ठीक है? कम एंड डू इट, गिव देम सम टोकन एंड दे विल डू इट। You see, if you can't utilize them, then they will go in a different direction. And colorful translite होते हैं ना वो, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि जैसे backlit lights behind an object which is looking like 1000 साल पुराना, actually 2000 साल पुराने, it is supposed to look dull यार. It is not supposed to look like a jazzy up thing. उसके पीछे अलंकृत चित्र लगाइए which will show you something more. Because a piece of wood means nothing to me. A piece of stone means nothing to me. I'll tell you the story of that piece of pottery. ये आप देखते ना म्यूजियम में, हाँ? सोचते किसी ने हंडी तोड़ा, somebody has broken something, कि पता नहीं म्यूजियम वाले क्यों खींच के यहाँ लाते। हर म्यूजियम में जाकर हम सोचते कि कहाँ, why is this pottery shard required? I'll tell you why the pottery shards are required. These are called pottery shards. Right?
Pot shards.
Pot shards. Okay, देखो मैंने 2-3 शब्द। अच्छा, तो pot shard में what is the requirement? What is the story? ये जो आप देखते हैं ना म्यूजियम में, आज तक किसी ने बताया नहीं आपको। You see, our population, human population would come down, would barely survive for 500,000 years. Human and pre-humans and other species. Our real life story begins from 10,000, 11,000 years, last glacial ice age. We find continuity after 11,000 years, 10,000 years. Everybody knows. Anything before that is a question of survival, survival, survival. वहां तक पहुंचो तो तब इतिहास बनाओगे, रचना करो। वहां तक पहुंचने में they have big role. Everybody ate meat. इसके बारे में कोई शक नहीं, everybody ate meat. जो मांसाहारी होते हैं ना, जो खाना खाते हैं, there is a chance of bacterial poisoning. तो they discovered fire. If you burn something in fire, then most of the bacteria is killed. But outer edge, अंदर में the bacteria that stays, if you eat it, you will get E. coli, B. coli, salmonella, पता नहीं क्या क्या, you will die. So when pottery was invented and it was burnt, उसमें जब पानी डाला ना, and you use the fire and you put your food there, boiling of food actually saved the human race. Boiling of food saved the human race. So whoever is here in this room has a father and a mother. He has a father and mother. So whoever is sitting in this room or standing in this room is today the last symbol of a victor, जो जीत का है. There is nothing called a break. जिसको बच्चे पैदा नहीं हुए, मान लो चले गए, that खानदान is finished. So everyone who's sitting in the room is actually a progeny, as a successor of somebody who has survived for at least 70,000 years. And the man who came 70,000 years ago, his prototype must have come 500,000 years ago. So we are sons of success, daughters of survivors. The survivor is the one who used those pots. समझ गए? Those who did not use the pots have been finished. This is the greatest instrument of human survival. इसको कहानी कहिए ना, हिंदी में कहिए. You have to explain what this pot shard means, what this pottery means. आप समझ गए? Once you could make the pot and you could boil water in the pot and you could put your food in the pot, the man or woman who took it survived. And he produced my great-great-grandfather, and I am here today because of that pot. That's it. So you have to explain the story in this way. You have to explain the story in this way. फिर बाद में जाके जात बात and all that came up. But छोड़ो. First the man, इंसान, woman. आगे बढ़ो. So I am giving you some examples of how they attract. This is the attractive way in which formatting is done. Books. I just used to go and collect. V&A, Victor and Albert. सबसे ज़्यादा चुराया हिंदुस्तान से. कोई बात नहीं. Now discover Victor and Albert Museum. Next one is National Archives of Australia. Researching on our collection. Attraction there. See the formatting. MoMA, New York Museum of Modern Art. This is multicoloring and all that, so you need an in-house creative team. Allahabad mein, I can assure you, there are 50,000 boys who can do it, girls, for a pittance. 18 saal, 16 saal, 12 saal, call them. Just give them the material, allow them to play around with the computer and produce these things. That's all. So, you have to put in people and say, I have put people who are just 21 years old. I give them, kabhi aa jata mahine mein 2 baar 4 baar, I give them 1,000 rupees. Uncle Bab, I said, Turate, 3 din naam kya hai? To them, this is a lot of money. Chalo, ice-cream khayenge, pizza baar jayenge, वगैरह वगैरह पता नहीं, movie देखेंगे. So, that is it. This inflexibility is something that nobody can teach. I just brought some good looking advertisements. If you open the web, you will see more of it. Social media, where unless you have it there and tells the story, यहाँ जब पहुँचे आप story कहेंगे भाई पहुँचने तो दो, पर पहुँचेंगे नहीं. How will you tell the story unless it reaches? So how to make the museum inclusive? Call everybody into your museum movement. Please reach out in some manner. We have won battle one. First World War in museum we have won. The Second World War is about to begin. Chalo, next. So these are some of the examples. Join the gallery. Tell us what you think. Hindi mein kahiye. Hindi mein karo. It's a Hindi state. Do it in Hindi. So these are some of the. Join the foundation. Join in Allahabad Museum Club. You don't need to be a part of it. It could be just 10 well-wishers who have formed a club. You have to have some relationship with them so that they are allowed to come. If they want to have a Sangeet Baithak, allow them to do it somewhere. That's all. You can't get everybody in museum from the museum way. You have to get them from whatever other method is possible. And once they come there, they will stay back. They will themselves go around telling the story. आज मैंने पॉट शार्ट्स की कहानी कहा ना, पॉट शार्ट्स के तो ये दिस कहानी you will tell people next. ठीक है ना? आगे बढ़े. Need to connect through interest. Everyone loves a good story. कहिए कि who's so logical and scientific जिसको आप कहानी कहने से आप बोर मत करो. ऐसा कोई नहीं. Everyone loves a good story. We must have storytellers. Storytellers से कमरे में 50 है. Attractions have to be imagined. Now I'm telling you what an imagined attraction is. In Calcutta Museum, there is a Kalpvriksh. A kale, little bit ugly looking object is called the Kalpvriksh. The tree of wishes. तो सब आके छूते. तो मैंने कहा म्यूजियम डायरेक्टर को एक काम करो. ये ब्लैक बेसॉल्ट, क्या बोलते हैं ब्लैक बेसॉल्ट पे हिंदी में? पत्थर, काला पत्थर. जो भी काले पत्थर वाले हैं, तो मैंने कहा कि काले पत्थर खरीद कर लाओ. बोले क्या करेंगे? ये लोग सब छूते हैं कल्पवृक्ष को, तो पहले आगे पंजा बना दबा, you know. So instead of touching the thing, they will say पंजा. एक बार पंजा बन जाए ना, पंजा आप जानते ना, बन जाए, तो उसमें पता नहीं क्या क्या कहानी बनाएंगे. वो खुद ही बनाएंगे. If your hand fits in, then you'll marry twice. वगैरह कहानी बनाते रहेंगे. जो IAS बनोगे, जो मर्जी. उनको छोड़िए ना, उनका इमेजिनेशन. आप देखिए ना दिल्ली पिलर. आप दिल्ली पिलर में जाइए, दिल्ली आयरन पिलर, कितने कहानी ऐसा छो ऐसा वो अपने कहानी बना ले. Let them play games. तो Kalpvriksh and पंजा स्टोरी. सुख की बात है कि कलकत्ता में कोई किसी ने बात नहीं मानता. अभी तक बनाए. So I present them. Friends of Museum. कभी हम बनाए. Is it an asset or liability? Remember story from Delhi Iron Pillar. आप लोग गए ना दिल्ली आयरन पिलर, कुतुब मीनार में, क्या क्या कहानी सुनते? Think. हाँ? So वहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा. They make their own stories. So you have to allow story building. Corporate social responsibility, corporates on marketing. Let us face facts. They are glitzy. तो glitzy किसी को involve करो. जान पहचान में किसी को involve कीजिए जो आपको glitzy story, shiny stories बना देंगे. Realistic mailing list. Why I have underlined realistic? सब म्यूजियम में mailing list है. उसमें दो आधे से ज्यादा ऊपर पहुंच गए. आप विष्णु जी से बैठ के चैट कर रहे हैं, उसका मेलिंग लिस्ट पे भेज रहे. तो मेलिंग लिस्ट में have a feedback system so that instead of having 10,000 in a mailing list, You have 500 people who are interested. And if you take down some of the interest, कि मैं पूजा में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मैं देव देवी में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मैं इसमें इंटरेस्ट हूँ, उसी के हिसाब से बनाएं, कुछ नहीं. This is hardly anything. So if you reach the right person at the right, I am interested in Islamic history. I am interested in this part. अपने अपने इंटरेस्ट होते हैं. If you make it according to that and regularly, तो ये realistic mailing list है. And you send it to them. आजकल सब email देंगे, सबको email देंगे. Of course, first row not withstanding, perhaps. No, I see email at 6 p.m. So this is my way of telling you that this is how you interest. Next,